As an administrator in your Teamwork Projects installation, you can easily save time in setting up new projects by familiarizing yourself with the various customizable template and default options. This includes template emails, categories, permissions, and even tasks. So to get to this Templates tab, we just need to select the Options drop-down up here next to our profile picture, and then choose the Settings cog here, and then in our Site Settings page, we need to select the Templates tab. And then in this Templates tab, we can see all of our template and default options. So if we just go back up to the top here, and the first thing that we can do is set our welcome email template. So here we can see our current message, and if we want to change this, then just select Set Message here. And now we can customize our welcome email as we like and save our template. If you ever find yourself continually adding the same tasks or even task lists, then familiarizing yourself with task templates can help save you a ton of time. So here we can see all of the task templates that have been created in this installation. So we can see the name of the template and the number of tasks. If we want to edit our templates, we can easily do so here. And if you want to find out more about task templates, then check out our video on that. Down here you can see that we can also add default task lists. So these are task lists that will automatically be created whenever you make a new project. Down here you can see that we have several options for default categories. So we can have default message categories, default file categories, notebook categories, and link categories. Below this you can see that we can also add default board columns. So again, when we create a new project, these board columns will automatically be added. In the default project section here, we can state which projects new users will automatically get added to as soon as they're invited. So here we have our own company, Teamwork Video, and we can also set default projects for users in other companies. So if we want to add another default project, we can just select Edit, and here we can either scroll through our list or search for a particular project. So for instance, here the marketing content strategy, we can select this project to not be a default, or we can select it for the owner company, or indeed any company. So let's go with owner company here, and then select finished. And now you can see that our marketing content strategy project has been added as a default project. Below this, we can set our default user permissions for projects. And again, here we can set permissions for our own company, for other companies, and for collaborators. So for instance, in Teamwork Video here, by default, new users aren't project administrators. However, they can view project updates. And if we select the plus icon here, we can see that while they can view these updates, they can't add a project update themselves. Here they can view tasks and milestones. And again, we can see more detailed permissions here. And if we want to update these permissions, all we have to do is select the change option. And then we can toggle these permissions on or off as we see fit. So let's say that I want them to be able to view links, but I don't want them to update links or indeed update notebooks. Now we can just select finished, and there we go, our changes have been made. And that's it. That's how easy it is to use the templates and defaults in Teamwork Projects. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us, support@teamwork.com.